This month's theme is cleaning tools. Hi, I'm Pat.
今月のテーマはお掃除道具。何回もビデオを見てまねっこしてね。
Let's study about the cleaning tools. Cleaning tools. Vacuum cleaner. Broom. Dustpan. Brush. Scrub. Dust cloth. Cleaning cloth. Bucket. Mop. Microfiber mop. Washing machine. Dryer. Washing machine with dryer. Iron. Ironing board. Laundry detergent. Trash can. Garbage can. Odor eliminator. Disinfecting spray. Refill.
ママとパパの英語。お子さんがお掃除したときや掃除を促すときに使える英語。
Let's clean up your room. You did a great job cleaning. Please put it back where it was. Thank you for putting back your toys on the shelf the first time I asked. Keep your room tidy, please.
お子さんと一緒に何回もビデオを見て練習してね。たくさんまねっこしてる子はどんどん上手になってるよ。